Welcome to my channel, and today we'll show you how to get water when there's a power outage. Okay, if you haven't heard yet, I live in Ohio and we had gusts of winds of up to 60 miles an hour, and so therefore it took down a lot of the power lines and stuff, so now there's no electricity to run water. But I want to show you how to be prepared on your homestead. And don't wait till the emergency comes up. It's real simple. All you need is a water hose, electric cord, and a generator. So I'm going to show you what I do to keep my animals in supply with water. Okay.
We have all of our gutters and downspouts hooked up to go to pipes down below the ground. They drain off out into the pond. That way if some emergency comes up, like right now where we have no power, we can use our sump pump and pump the water for the animals in the buckets. Got all the downspouts on all the sides of the house. They all branch off, and the pipes under the ground here, they all go out into the pond. It also helps keep the water circulated and fresh for the animals too. This is where the downspout water goes out into the pond, out of them two pipes right there. As you see, we had a good bit of rain the past couple of days and got the pond pretty full. If you don't have access to have or make a pond, you can also hook your downspouts and gutters to your angled roof like this, like we have here, and run the water into a barrel. And this is our hose that we have. Comes off our downspout off the chicken house, the broiler house. The water from the rain drains off into this barrel. You pump it out for your animals for fresh water, for your garden, whichever you have. If your barrel gets too full, we hook this extra piece of hose up and drain on out into the pond. We have a small generator out here to run a sump pump for the animals out of the pond. That way they can have fresh water on power outage days.
All you need is just a little pump, a little sump pump. So throw it in there sideways. I have a bunch of rocks laid down so that way it's not in mud. Can you see here we have the water hose. It goes across the yard and it connects and it goes up to the top of the roof of the chicken coop, and then it goes across and then down. The water hose comes down on this side, and then we got it to drain out into the yard. It might come out slow, but it works. And again, it might not be the cleanest water from the pond. Might not be the cleanest water from the pond, but you know what? They go in the pond and they drink out of the pond. So until my rain barrel gets filled up with fresh water, we'll go ahead and fill this up. Like I said, they go in the pond and they drink the water out of the pond, so I don't see why this won't work either. But when the rain comes, I'll fill the barrel up and we'll have fresh rainwater then for them. See, he doesn't mind the water. Hey, shh. See, he doesn't mind the water from the pond. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.